Hey there! Are you looking for ways to get rid of bad breath? Here are 5 tips to help you maintain fresh breath and oral hygiene. Regular brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning are essential to remove plaque, bacteria, and food particles that contribute to bad breath. Remember to brush your teeth at least twice a day and replace your toothbrush every 3-4 months. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps prevent dry mouth, a common cause of bad breath. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to help flush out bacteria and keep your mouth moist. Antiseptic mouthwashes can help kill bacteria and freshen breath. Choose an alcohol-free option to avoid drying out your mouth. Rinsing with plain water after meals can also help remove debris. Schedule regular visits to your dentist for professional cleanings and checkups. Your dentist can identify and address any underlying oral health issues that may be contributing to bad breath. Remember, persistent bad breath may be a sign of an underlying dental or medical condition, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional if the issue persists despite adopting these tips.